Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar and GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now looking at the lower time frame on euro dollar, we can see that this market currently showing bearish price action. Before we look at how we can trade, let's quickly look at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now looking at the monthly, we can see that euro dollar back to back 3 months has made a significant bearish move. We can see from the monthly perspective the market in this monthly support level, and at the same time there is a strong bearish pressure, and we could see from the monthly euro dollar to drop further to the downside to create a new lower low. If we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that euro dollar from the weekly showing also strong bearish price action starting from here. After forming this bearish movement, we can see euro dollar has made that move followed by this pullback, and with that pullback the market has made another bearish engulfer followed by, we can see, another strong impulse. Currently euro dollar, this is the weekly candle which is almost nearing to the end of the week. We can see the market cross the doji, grab the liquidity, and then form a strong bearish price action from the weekly perspective, and that bearish price action might break this euro dollar to drop below. As we can see, the price is approaching that support level, and as it is a very strongly bearish market, we can expect euro dollar to drop further below this support level, or even coming back down further for long-term perspective to the order block. So there are probability for euro dollar to drop from the weekly perspective as well. Now looking at the daily chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the daily the market is respecting this daily 20 EMA. The price tested this 20 EMA and then had a strong breakdown, and we can see another bounce here. The market tested the 20 EMA, had a breakdown. So every time the market crossing the 20 MA, euro dollar breaking below this level. And what we can see that from the daily, from this zone, there is a drop, and this is the daily uh, bearish price action. At the moment, we can see the market tested this high, and after testing this high, it has broken below this level, and we can expect for the market to come even further, as this is a significant level of support, expecting for the market to break below to create a new lower low. Now looking at the 30 minutes perspective to see from the day trading time frame, we can see the market in this area. There was a initial bounce here. After this strong drop, the market has made this bear flag, and from that bear flag the price managed to break below, therefore expecting it to continue towards the downside. So this is where an important zone that we can look for potential selling opportunity on euro dollar. Now let's look at British pound US dollar to see how the market is evolving. Now looking at the monthly chart on GBP USD, we can see that from the monthly perspective this is bearish market here as well. We can see back to back 3 months the price has dropped below this level, and after this monthly open we can see that GBP USD, after initial movement to the upside with the new monthly open, the price started to drop again. As the price is in a very strong bearish pressure, we can expect now the price to come back down again to this support level, or even potentially test this support level here. Now looking at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly as well, this is a very strongly bearish market. Starting from here, drop followed by this pullback, grab the liquidity, another drop followed by this pullback, and every time the market is trying to bounce, we can see another drop. This is the weekly perspective here on GBP USD. The price has crossed that high, and then we can see the price managed to break below from the weekly perspective. Now looking at the daily chart on GBP USD, we can see that from the daily, this is the daily price action creating series of lower high and lower low. And what we can see on GBP USD from the daily, there is a big drop here and a sideways movement, and the market managed to drop again, where we can see the price, this is a resistance line here, from this resistance, the price again had a very strong breakdown from the daily perspective on GBP USD. As early today, we have seen the price tested the high, and from that zone, the price started to drop again. We can expect now potential continuation towards the downside. Now, from the 4 hour perspective on GBP USD, we can see the market from here. There was a big drop, pullback, another drop. The market is forming series of lower high and lower low, and this is the intraday perspective, where after initial drop the market is still showing downtrending structure. This is where, as soon as you will find suitable entry on GBPUSD, you will be looking for a potential selling opportunity in this market with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this free education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.